So just a quick video to make you aware of this Qantas flight, QF14, which is departing in less than 2 hours, and it is travelling between Ezeiza in Argentina and Darwin, Australia, a non-stop flight of more than 9,000 miles. There you can see the estimated flight time is 17 hours and 50 minutes. If you have a paid account on FlightAware, you can actually see the filed route, which is right here. Now when you're looking at this, many of the waypoints are just latitude and longitude coordinates. If you see this type of grouping, M086 F360, that is a speed or altitude change. M086 is Mach 086 and F360 is flight level 360, 36,000 feet. You can see later in the flight they slow down to Mach 0.85 and climb to flight level 380. But otherwise, we're looking at the waypoints of the filed flight plan. So when the route became available on FlightAware, I loaded it to my 4Flight app, which is the app I use when flying the Global 7500. There you can see the waypoints at the top, and beneath that, a visual depiction of the route on the globe. So this is the filed flight plan, which means it is the route that Qantas have advised ATC they will be flying. It will also be loaded into the aircraft flight management system used to navigate the aircraft. As you can see, from Argentina, it goes south, crosses the edge of Antarctica, and then goes north up through Melbourne to Darwin in Australia. Let's see how this compares on Google Earth and on the AE map, which is a popular flat Earth map. Firstly, on Google Earth, I have drawn the Great Circle track from Argentina to Darwin. You can see that this matches fairly closely to the actual flight plan that Qantas will be using. If we look at the AE map, from Argentina to Darwin goes nowhere near Antarctica. It would have the aircraft flying up through South America, across North America, Canada, the end of Russia, and southbound into Darwin. The actual filed route that Qantas will be flying is not even close to this. Now this aircraft is also equipped with satellite-based ADS-B, and that means it is not going to drop off the radar, as aircraft used to do many years ago. You will be able to follow this aircraft for the entire route. I'll place a couple of links in the description below to FlightAware and Flight Radar, and you can watch our national airline, Qantas, the Flying Kangaroo, absolutely destroy flat Earth.